Anyway, let's start it off with the iPhone 15. Why don't we?
Okay, yeah.
Because I need a new iPhone. I'll tell you what. No, I switched from the iPhone to the Pixel, and I'm a happier person. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
Don't ask me why. I don't know. And we're all a bunch of weirdos in this life, in this world, and you have your preferences. And for me, I feel like I just get things done faster on Android than I do on iOS. And it doesn't seem to affect me with other iOS devices as much as it does the phone. Like the phone is just like I really want it to be a tool first and foremost.
Yeah.
If I can do something faster that I do frequently, I'm gonna stick to it. I know everyone's sitting there saying, "What are you talking about? The iPhone 14 Pro Max is the fastest processor you're ever gonna." Now, I'm not talking about like playing games. I mean interacting with the interface, managing notifications. Using Google Assist. I'm talking about productivity and just how my brain interacts with the device. Well, you know what?
What?
Anyway, they're doing another iPhone, obviously, and the rumors have already begun. iPhone 15 Pro rumored to feature a Thunderbolt port. Ooh. Yeehaw! Is that enough? Is that going to be enough to change my mind? Maybe. Probably not. But this has been a long time coming. Over in Europe, they've been talking about it for years now. And they said, okay, enough with this Lightning already, this proprietary stuff. We're going to mandate that you can't have it. Brazil was sitting there saying, where's the power brick? Everybody's got these issues with Apple specifically. And people were saying, well, maybe Apple can just skip over the port altogether and go to a completely wireless future since people are not using the port as often. It's still the fastest way to charge your device. I mean, I understand you can do it wirelessly, but if you need speed charging in a pinch, the port is the way to go. And also for large file transfer. And on these Pro devices, you can shoot like ProRes video, Will. You know about this. High resolution. You could have many gigabytes and want to move that footage somewhere else. And if they want to keep calling it Pro, well, I'll tell you what, you do a 2-for-1.
Sure.
Thunderbolt is the Type-C connector with greater capability. Am I right, Will?
Yeah.
Even more throughput. Europe, they're happy in Europe. You're connecting with any cable. And then Pro users call themselves Pro, buy the Pro thing, and shoot tremendous gigabytes worth of footage, can offload at Thunderbolt speeds. What do you say, Will?
I think it's useful, and I think it's meant to be there.
What do you think, Mo? Thunderbolt on the iPhone?
Love it.
They can't hear you, so just come over here for a second. We're going to get Mo's input here. He was waving at me the whole way down. Mo, just give him your thoughts, say hello, and tell him about what you're going to do this weekend.
Hey, guys. How you doing?
Yeah.
I'm going to be testing out a few products this weekend.
Okay.
That sounds interesting.
The microphone.
Good for you.
Yeah, stay tuned. Check out Unbox Therapy. This is me going ahead.
Good job, Mo.
What did I just wait?
Glad to be back.
He shakes his head on the way out, just shaking the head over there. Well, the thing was, I brought the jalapeno bread today. That was the main thing. And with the
big
cheddar,
plus.
with the cheddar and the jalapeno.
You never bring any food.
And you know what that guy did? He put it in the toaster, not the toaster.
Oh, yeah. Good idea.
The
oven.
we did a video. It's like a high-tech oven. I can't remember the name right now.
Brio?
Brio, that's an Italian Coca-Cola alternative, which is good, by the way.
Okay.
But maybe the oven might be called that as well. Go look it up. It's futuristic, cameras, tabletop. It's pretty cool. Anyway, Mo loves putting things in there. And so I bring this kind of pull-apart loaf. Brava. There you go.
Sorry,
no, it's all right, man. If you, I know you're probably
a year ago.
But you probably like to drink a Brio here and there, I would guess.
Yeah, Brios are fun.
Is there like a bitter
Very refreshing
thing going on? It's nostalgic for me because I used to get a slice and a Brio as a youngster. I don't know if people even know what this is. It's a Canadian variation of a Chinotto soft drink. Okay, so it's you may have tried something similar from San Pellegrino, but this is the Canadian equivalent, and it has the coolest can. I mean, just look at the can, dude. Are you kidding me? Because I want to know who's kidding who. Damn, like no other soft drink. So this is the Chinoto that they distribute here, and you'll be likely in the city of Toronto to get a slice and a brio, and you can also get it in a bottle.
Great with pizza.
And you're just having a time. You're having a slice in a bottle. So that's why that was on your mind,
Yeah.
I assume. But I just, now I'm jealous. I feel like I want your... Have you ever had a brio before?
Yeah, it's like an Italian.
There you go. You didn't know it's Canada. It's a Canadian variant. So it's been pretty exclusive that yeah. What did you eat what were you eating?
California sandwiches.
He was eating a California sandwich,
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen, which is a local spot with the Italian style sandwich. Is kind of funny. It's called California. But don't worry about that, because what you're going to have is a meatball sandwich or
Veal.
a veal or a chicken or a steak they have as well, lesser known.
Oh, okay.
They have whatever type of sandwich you might want. Many locations.
Okay. Are we talking about sandwiches again?
Many locations.
Yeah.
You might pick up a brio. This is not a brio ad, even though it is. Even if the iPhone 15 models only get USB 3.2 support, that would mean theoretical transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabit per second and 20 gigabit per second, depending on the exact specification. Most iPads with USB-C ports already offer faster transfer speeds. iPad Pro models with the M1 chip and newer support Thunderbolt 3 for bandwidth of up to 40 gigabits per second.
I mean, most likely other phone manufacturers going to follow this, right?
Can you just scroll up? Did they say Thunderbolt 4 or 3? They say...
3.
Oh, 3. At least USB 3.2 or Thunderbolt 3. This is a huge improvement either way. I don't know what you want me to say about this other than, yes, please, like, finally do that, That is one thing I'll say about the iPhone. It's a great video shooting machine as far as phones go. And it's one of my favorites. So having more of a pro-type port, huge bonus.